Hi, I'm Max.
Hi, my name's Maya.
Hi, my name's Anton.
Hello, my name's Isabella.
I'm an apprentice at TechMan doing marketing, and I've been here for around 5 months.
I'm a IT support apprentice at TechMan and I've been here for about a year now.
I'm doing an apprenticeship at TechMan. It's a business administration and I've been here for about a year now.
I've been working at TechMan for about 4 months now and I'm doing a business administration apprenticeship.
So what made you choose an apprenticeship at TechMan?
Well, when I first got the interview for TechMan, I went in for it and I was told how many of the team here have actually been apprentices and are apprentices, and how many of them had then moved on to quite high up full-time roles. So it was just a great sign that this is a really good place to grow your career.
It's a good place to kick off your career in whatever role you decide to choose.
So when I came to the interview, Drew, he basically said, a lot of the people in the business have been apprentices before. So that kind of stood out to me.
Well, after coming for the interview, I felt so welcomed and comfortable during the interview, and they made the process so seamless after that point as well.
What's your favourite thing about working at TechMan?
Definitely at TechMan is the people side. I mean, everyone here is so friendly and were really welcoming when I first joined. I've made some really great friends here, and I've been given a good amount of responsibility as well, which is obviously really nice for me because it shows that I'm trusted in my role.
My favourite thing working at TechMan was probably the team. They were very welcoming, especially how daunting it was to join an all-male team. So yeah.
Probably the job role that I'm doing, helping customers, and obviously because it sort of helps me in terms of what I want to do long term. But I love the environment, love what I'm doing, so yeah.
How lovely everybody is all the time. You feel so comfortable asking questions, and there's so many new things I'm learning day to day, and it's just increasing my experience massively.
How supported do you feel by the team day to day?
Every day, whenever I've got an issue, I can just ask someone and they're always helpful and always have a lot of patience with me. I mean, I've been told by people here that whenever I need help, I can always ask them, which is obviously really helpful for me.
I am not afraid to ask any questions, especially in our morning meetings. I'm able to raise any issues I have during the week.
Quite supported, to be fair. I can ask any question that I really need help on if I need help, really.
Extremely. I'm welcome to ask as many questions as I want, and I'm not made to feel like it's a silly question at all. And it's just so they make me feel so comfortable all the time.
Where do you see yourself in a few years at TechMan?
In a few years at TechMan, by the end of my apprenticeship, I'll have hopefully been offered a full-time role because I'd love to carry on working here and carry on doing what I'm doing with this amazing team that I'm with.
Hopefully becoming a fully qualified member of the team, hopefully doing some more responsibilities in software development.
Hopefully still here. I've been here for like a year now, so hopefully a bit more responsibility. But yeah, I'm not planning to leave anytime soon.
So that I can feel confident to help new apprentices and make them feel like their experience is just as well as mine.